Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I wanted to show you what has become one of my favorite sweaters this winter. This is a really cute and warm sweater from BTFBM, and I absolutely love wearing it. It is so comfortable. The sweater is a viscose polyester nylon mix, and it is so snuggly and soft. It's well made and well woven, so you can really see up close how the fabric is very tight knitted and it keeps you really warm. I also love the detailing on this sweater. It has super cute ruffles at the ends of the arms as well as around the collar. It also has a Henley type set of buttons, and the buttons have stayed on with no problem. They're about a little bit larger than the size of a dime, and I find that I like wearing it a little bit more open at the neck, and that way I don't get overheated. The sweater is a size small, the one that I went with, and it is a really true fit. It is not too snug, but rather it's just a nice, casual, easy sweater. However, because of the detailing, it's nice and pretty, and it looks nice whether you wear it with a skirt or if you wear it with pants. It's just nice and warm and cozy, keeps me nice and warm, and I love that it's a dressier style. But that's my point of view.